Is camera recording?
Yeah.
Kevin, you're gonna be a star.
Alright guys, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to take some tissue paper and we're going to Mod Podge it on. See that? I said it correctly. I said Mod Podge. Usually I say Mod Podge. The reason why we're going to do this is we want almost a leather effect on the back. So what you want to do is take your Mod Podge, take a brush, brush it on.
So we're going to stick this on here. Rub it on. Take some more glue. Again, I'm not worried about this because we're going to take an X-Acto knife and we're going to cut this off. Just slop this shit on here.
Alright guys, now we have a change of scenery. We are on my other work table. Now we are going to take our skeleton and we're going to glue it down right here, just like this. Now, I just ripped these legs off because I tried using the screw. Look, this was outside for like a year. It's filthy. I tried to wash it down as best as I could. I tried to take the screwdriver and undo these, but I couldn't get it, so I just said screw it and ripped it off. So, now what I'm going to do is take some E6000 and I think I might do some hot glue and see where I go. But now it's just gluing it down. Now that we've got this glued down, I use the E6000 and I also use the hot glue. Let me try to give you a close-up right here. So I got in there with the hot glue and the E6000. Did it on both sides. Now I'm going to stand this up. So that way I have a clear view of everything. Because I like to do everything when it's up, so that way I can have a clear view. Oh yes. Look at that, it's so freaking cute. I don't even think that needs hot glue. It just needs shoved in there really good. Here. Oh, it's so cute. Sorry. Look at that. So cute.